Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss some important current affair topics for design exams. Please note that the content provided here is filtered content and you should not restrict yourself only to these topics. Specifically if you are preparing for NIFT exam, you will have to be diverse in that condition and you'll have to read some more topics. And also the topics here are from the month of September, October and November combined because there was not much news this year. I hope for the obvious reason you know that. So let's go through some important questions quickly. So first question is, who won the Khel Ratna Award in 2020? Well, there were 5 sports personalities who won the award and here is a list of all of them. Please have a look. Next question, recently NASA launched commercial spacecraft on the name of the Indian origin astronaut, and who is that? The answer is Kalpana Chawla. Next, who was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 2020? It was awarded to World Food Programme. So here is the logo of the organization, and World Food Programme is the world's largest humanitarian organization that focuses on hunger and food security, and it is related to United Nations. So we should know about this organization and also take a look at the logo as well. Next question, recently who won 20th Grand Slam title in men's single category in lawn tennis? And answer is simple, Rafael Nadal. Next question, identify the logo shown below. Now this logo was in news recently, but from our exam point of view, it is important that we understand the logo. So the answer is Khelo India. They are generally held in the month of February and are national level multidisciplinary grassroots games in India. This is important from the exam point of view, also from the logo point of view. Next question, where is Statue of Peace located in India? So recently Prime Minister unveiled the statue in the state of Rajasthan, and I hope you remember that we already have Statue of Unity in the country, isn't it? So my question is, on which bank this Statue of Unity located? I'm not talking about Statue of Peace. So my question is, on which bank the Statue of Unity located, and who designed it, and in which state it is? So please answer these questions if you know, and if you don't know, please look for it. Next question, who has written the book The Republican Ethic? And the answer is Ramnath Kovind, our president. Next is an interesting one. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve is located in which state of India? The answer to this question is Uttar Pradesh, and here is the map of all the tiger reserves in the country. So there are different tiger reserves in the India, okay? The map here shows all of them. Now it is not necessary that we remember all of them, but some famous ones would be helpful because the question on this topic has been asked before. So the Pilibhit Tiger Reserve that we are talking about here was in news recently because it has received an award for doubling its tiger population. Next question, where in India do you find coral reefs? Coral reefs are always in the news, and here is a map which shows where in the country you will find coral reefs, and they are a very important marine species and their existence actually determine the health of the ocean, and they have been in the news recently because of the coral bleaching that has been happening around the oceans. So we should have some idea about them as well. The next question is, who won the Times 2020 Kid of the Year award? Well, this happened in the early December, but I have included this in this section as well. So the answer is Gitanjali Rao, a remarkably bright kid and young scientist, you can say, isn't it? And I hope you all know about her as well. The last question is, who won the Global Teacher Prize 2020? And the answer is Ranjit Singh Desale. And he is the first Indian to have won this award, so we should have some knowledge about him as well. So that's it in this video. Please do not forget to read the current affairs visually for design exam as we did in this video. We'll come back with some more current affairs before the exam as well.